Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. When you get a Bolex 8mm pocket model such as this P2 and there's a grinding noise around the front, just simply dismantle it. Check some of my other videos on the CLA of an 8mm pocket model. Remove the front right here. Mind the wires to the exposure meter. The problem is generally right up in here with the gears being dirty. So take a good look right up in there, and there is generally your issue, right up inside of here. Clean those gears with a toothbrush, reassemble it, and on the average you're just fine. Check for worn parts of the gears as well, but on the average they're just dirty. Then the grinding noise will go away. Do subscribe.